Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy VOO through Charles Schwab. First, you will need to ensure you have a brokerage account with Charles Schwab. If you do not already have an account, the first step is to visit their website and follow the instructions to open one. This process typically includes providing your personal information, financial details, and agreeing to their terms. Once your account is set up and funded, log into your Charles Schwab account. From the main dashboard, locate the search bar. Here, you can type in the ticker symbol for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, which is VOO. After entering the symbol, click on the appropriate link that appears, which will take you to VOO's dedicated page. On the VOO page, you will see real-time data about the ETF, including its current price and performance. Look for the Trade button. When you click on it, you will be prompted to enter the number of shares you want to purchase. Make sure to review the order details, including the type of order you want to place, whether it be a market order or a limit order, and then proceed. After confirming your order, the purchase will be executed based on your specifications. You can monitor your investment through your portfolio within the Schwab platform. Remember to review your investments periodically and stay informed about market conditions. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to buy VOO through Charles Schwab.